Hey, so lastly we look at how to perform some action when the workflow is finished. In this video, we're going to look at how when some action is performed, like let's say a new Google spreadsheet row is added or a Slack message is added, how you can run workflow based on that. So we'll have the same basic workflow in as our last video. So what will this do is like you'll just add a query and it will write about it. And now let's create a Zap. So in trigger, I'm gonna select Slack. So I already have my Slack account connected. So let me just new message posted on our channel. It's gonna be our trigger, and I already have my account connected. And let me just quickly select a channel. So I just created a test channel, and we'll just gonna hit continue. We can test this trigger. I think we already had one. All right. So now in action, we are going to select TeamAI and we're going to select our action event, which will be a run workflow. And we're going to hit next. I already have my account connected again. And so I'm going to select my existing account in TeamAI. And this will going to ask you for workflow. So we know my workflow is my basic workflow. So I am gonna now it will ask you. So let me just quickly point out here. So this workflow needs one input, which is query. So what I will do is I'll need to provide this workflow a query. So here we will add the text, Slack message text as our query. So this is our query is gonna be, and just gonna test. Basically, I'm just gonna test this step, although it is not something you write about, but let me first test it and just publish it and then we'll run it again. So we'll just head over to our workflow tables and we'll see it should have the new raw added anytime, because workflow might take a little time to run, so it will be here soon. So this is our query as we test it. So I'm just gonna hit publish and we'll see a live test in a bit. So let me just send a message on Slack. So write about workflows. So I'll just send a message on Slack in that channel, write about workflows, and let's just hit reload here, and we'll see if so it already had the new running state ready, and it will soon have the data as well. So let me just hit reload once again and see if this is completed by now or not. So this is completed. I just type in Slack workflows and it is ready. So this is all for this video, and I hope by now you know how to connect Zapier to TeamAI, and I'll see you next time.